How to fix and solve WeChat video call. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve WeChat video call. So if you're having issue with the video call thing when using WeChat, then in order to fix it, so what you could do is first thing first, you could always go ahead and check whether the permissions are enabled or not. For that, you have to go to the settings, or you could just go to the app info section by long pressing the WeChat app, and here you want to go to permission. So right over here you could see in my case I have enabled none of these permission. So in order to make a video call, you have to make sure to enable the camera as well as microphone. Once you've enabled it, you go ahead and click on always use while using the app. Once you've enabled it, you go ahead and log in and try video calling or video chatting with the other person. It should be able to fix it. If that's not the case, you come back to the same page, that is app info, and go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage will delete all of your data permanently, but if you want to do it so or carry on with this, you can tap on the OK button and this should be able to fix it. Now go ahead and log into your account, check whether the issue has been solved or not. If that does not seem to be working out, then you could simply go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to this sort of issues. So you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in WeChat. Check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update the application or restart your device at the same time and re-log into your account, that can be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then the other alternative way is to contact the support team. So you just have to go to this browser and you want to type in WeChat customer. When you type in that, you could find the WeChat help center. Go to the first link that appears, and here you could go ahead and submit your feedback, or just click on send feedback and they'll look into your matter. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve WeChat video call. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.